And we'll have more on day one of the summer school, national summer school program later on in the newscast. But still in Clarendon, the police say domestic-related violence is behind the killing of a 67-year-old woman in Lioneltown this morning. The person of interest, her husband. Jamaica Maitland has the details.
Scores of residents crowded the home of 67-year-old Pamela Gregory in Lioneltown, Clarendon, after news emerged that she was found dead in her home.
This morning about 8 a.m., the police was summoned to this location. We report of a 67-year-old lady whose neck was reportedly slashed. Upon arrival of the police, same was confirmed. Presently, we have a person of interest in custody.
She lived with her husband. When TVJ News arrived on the scene, we observed him being escorted in a police car in handcuffs. It's understood that he'd been caring for his wife, who had been ill for some time. Family members declined to speak on camera. Residents looked on in disbelief, telling us that the discovery was shocking. They described the couple as quiet, adding that there weren't any signs of domestic issues. The police, in the meantime, are urging the public to be aware and to report instances of domestic violence.
We are aware that persons are having issues, but these issues cannot resolve themselves. In some instances, persons are of a mental state whereby they need assistance beyond counseling or mediation. These persons will need to seek assistance from medical facilities where possible. But we just cannot continue on this trend. And we are asking citizens to ensure that they look out for each other.
Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.